Welcome to our weekly outlook. Today we are going to analyze gold and predict how the market will behave next week. So today is 3rd August, and as you can see from here, we got our TTF entry on Friday, which is 1st August, and currently we are running about 600 pips in profit before the market closed on Friday. Let me measure it so that you can see here. Yes, that 690 pips in profit before market closed on Friday. And all we are expecting Monday is a pullback to a particular level before the market to continue to move in our direction and hit our take profit, which is 1000 pips in the TTF entry model video series. Anytime you get your entry within this very particular period of time, you target 1000 pips, and if you are patient enough, the market will give you your 1000 pips target, right? Which is exactly what you are seeing here. So normally I do my weekly analysis on 1 hour time frame, because there is a particular structure that I'm looking for before I make my decision or decide my bias. Okay, so now we are on 1 hour time frame, right? So the first thing I'm expecting is a price to pull back to a particular level. From where this price is, I'm expecting it to buy up to this level here, then pull back to this particular level here, so after pulling back to this particular level, then I expect it to just buy up a little bit, then maybe within the week come down to this zone, right? Then go up and give me my take profit. So we have two scenarios this week. So the first scenario is what I share with you here, and the second scenario is price might probably push up to this level. Okay, let me use the path line. So the second scenario is price might probably push up from this level to 3373.107, which is here. All right, then pull back to this level here. All right, then go up and give us our profit, which is 1000 pips, before pulling back down to this level here, 3312965. okay, this level here, then before it will continue to buy. So these are the two scenarios that will likely happen next week, especially on Monday. But I'm more convinced that the second scenario is what will happen next week, Monday. Okay, this is the second scenario. Let me remove all the path line. So this is the second scenario. Price pushed up to this point here, then come down here. All right, then give us our TP here. I am more convinced that this particular scenario is what will happen on Monday. So we are going to hold this particular zone as a very strong support level, right, where price will tap before going up to give us our target. All right, mostly I give signal whenever you have an entry targeting 1000 pips, right? Especially this particular signal, I shared it in the Telegram community, and if you want to join my Telegram community, type the link on your screen to join the Telegram community. Okay, I share free signal and VIP signal as well. So let's watch what will happen next week. So let me just go back to my 4 hour time frame where I normally do my analysis for TTF entry model, and maybe briefly explain why I execute this trade on Friday at 3293.627. okay, the number one thing that make me execute this trade is, as you can see our trend line, we have first point, which is here, right? Then we have our second point, which is also here. Now after the first point and the second point, what happened? We have another point here, and after this point here, price refused to break the recent low. This is the recent low that price refused to break. All right, when I see this behavior in price, then I started expecting a market structure shift. All right, but remember, we are not using all these ICT concepts. We have a particular confluences that we are using to get our entry, okay, and I explained that in detail in the TTF entry model video series. You can go to my playlist and start from part 1 video. All right, it will just take you maximum of 30 days. You understand everything that I share in the video, especially if you are an experienced trader, not a beginner. But if you are a beginner, I'll advise you to go to 21-day forex trading bootcamp and start from there. Perfect. All right, so if I should take this trade when market open, set my long position here, then target the same level here, manage my risks like this. Okay, this is about 1:5 RR. Very nice trade, very nice trade. Let's see if market will respect our bias on Monday. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.